All right, so I am this sewing job is bad as my nail. You see my nail is chipped. I know. I when I tell you I hesitated to just really show you all the struggles I had with this sewing. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it out there because I mean I'm learning. I literally had to learn everything. Okay, how to thread it, how to set it up. I mean, I was on YouTube like this is a real like I paid to attend this class. So you do see the video that I'm watching. I am literally trying to do everything that she's doing because otherwise I'm gonna be lost. I'm gonna be out here lost. Okay, so the reason I'm gonna be honest with the Barbie dolls. If you watch my first video, you will hear me talk about. I'm new to this space, right? I'm a licensed cosmetologist. I've been doing hair, um, all my life. You know, all my adult life, I've been doing hair. Even in high school, I was doing hair in high school. So, I mean, hair has been just my blueprint. You know, it's the beauty industry. It's just um is where I've been. But lately, as you know, I'm now 40 and I'm starting, I have two young kids. I have a 5-year old and a 7-year old, and I'm trying to figure out what can I do that I can enjoy. And I see that my girls have Barbie dolls and they watch Barbie dolls on YouTube, and I'm like, well, maybe we can do maybe we could do a Barbie doll channel. And that was all fun because I've been doing shorts. If you are from my channel, been watching my videos, you see that I have posted a lot of shorts. And let me tell you, I said I'm gonna do shorts because it's short, right? But it's very, very, very complicated because you have to get trend. You have to use trending sounds. You have to search for what's gonna get you views. I mean, it's more than I thought. However, I did it and now I'm ready to make longer videos. I'm ready to kind of tell more stories. I'm just ready to kind of put my foot deeper in the sand, if that makes sense. Because at first I'm just, just playing around to see what I was gonna do. And if you watch my previous videos, you see that I'm trying to figure out what am I going to talk about? What am I going to do? And I've talked about making remote, a Barbie collection because a lot of you have, a lot of you know that they already have career Barbies. They already have the dentists, the doctors, veterinarians. They have hairstylists. They have all the careers, the shelves, and things like that. Chefs. But I just thought these days a lot of parents are working from home, such as myself. And my kids have really never seen me work. A lot of kids have not seen their parents leave for work. And I just thought, what about a Barbie collection that just kind of highlights that? And I thought that was a good idea. And I did do one video on that. And then I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. It was a lot of work. Now, I'll be honest. The shorts is full of me doing Barbie's hair. Okay, because again, I do hair. But then I was like, what? I mean, I can't just do hair. Who am I gonna do hair on on the video? 15-20 minutes I'm on video. So I'm still gonna do some hairstyles, but then I'm like, what else can I do? And I always wanted to make okay, so even if I do the hair, this is for me. I'm speaking for me. I'm not sure about anybody else, but for me, when my hair is done, I feel like I should either have a new outfit or just something really cute, right? It could be something that I have in my closet, but I might have put it together a different way. You just made it just the whole complete look. And I've noticed when I'm doing these Barbie's hair, if you look at my shorts, I should have put some clips in here, but bear with me. I'm learning the whole production. But if you look at my shorts, you see that every time I do their hair, they get a new outfit. Or not new, but the outfit is just, it complements the hairstyle. And so I'm already kind of doing that, but I'm gonna be honest. I will buy a pack of Barbie doll clothes from Amazon. And when I say, I think you will see it on here. You will see it. Hold on. I think, yeah, it should be coming up. And I'm gonna make sure that I catch it. But when I tell you this dress, and when you see it, that's how it came. Like a lot of the dresses that I guess it's just from like people who want to make extra money, they are making very cheaply, outfits for Barbies, and it's terrible. And I really do not want to order any more clothes because either I get duplicates or they just trash. So I think I want to take you all on my journey of learning how to sew. And when I mean learning, I mean learning. I am following everything that lady was saying. As you see now that I kind of did my first little, I don't know what you call it, swatch, my first square. When you start off, you want to start off with a small project. So this actually turned out pretty good because if I get my camera to focus, you can see that my stitches are pretty good. And you can't really see my sewing machine because it's turned, like sideways or in the front. You can't see the side of it. So it's a very beginner's friendly. Like it's probably can fit in the palm of my hand. It's very small. Now I did get this sewing machine because I wanted to make scrunchies with Barbie doll heads on it. I had this bright idea, and then I realized, well, I really don't want to do that, so I didn't do it. But I have a sewing machine, so I bought that sewing machine. Oh, here's the dress. Look at it. Like it came in a lot of the dresses, or even just the Barbie doll clothes. It comes, the ends are frazzled. The dresses don't fit. It's just terrible. So anyway, what I'm doing right here is because I don't have a pattern. I realized when I'm making this video, I was like, oh, I don't have a pattern. So I just took this dress, which I will never put on the Barbie, just cut it and kind of make this be my pattern, and just cut around it. And so I just thought, let me make something really simple as to, something easy as a dress. Now, actually, this dress has, I don't know the term because I'm not a seamstress. Okay. I don't know the terms, but it had some notches. Now I do know that's a word because I make wigs. It had some notches in it, and I didn't do that because I'm not ready for notches. Okay. But I just did this. And again, now this sewing machine, as the lady was saying, this sewing machine does not have a back stitch option. So you really got to lift up the little thing. And y'all, if y'all can sew and y'all are seamstress, please ignore my lack of terminology in this space. Yeah, I need a glossary or something. But anyway, I had to lift up the little lever thing and turn it around, back stitch it, turn it back. It was a lot. So, that's what I had to do. So pretty much this is what I'm back stitching. I guess I'm just trying to do this without the video. I'm like on my own. I'm trying to make this dress, and I don't know. But anyway, so I'm trying to think about the channel. I don't want to be so, I won't say hard on myself. I don't want to put myself in a box. And I think that's what I did with the earlier videos. I was like, I'm going to make a remote, Barbie doll collection, work from home Barbie doll collection. And because I thought about it so much, I literally tapped out. I was like, So honestly, right now, my channel, as far as the Barbie dolls, it will not have a specific topic. Whatever I feel like that I should be doing is pretty much what I will do. If I need to go, now the last video, if you watch that, it's really good video. It really is. It's basically me trying to get some inspiration from a AI image generator called Midjourney. And basically, not because now I can go to, social media, Pinterest, Google, whatever, and type in Barbie dolls and just look to see what their Barbie dolls are wearing. But with Mid Journey, I can generate exactly what's in my head. Now, I'm not a clothing designer. I can't make full collections. But for example, say Christmas is coming up, right? So say I want let's start with 4. Say I say, hey, not chat. Hey, Mid Journey. I want 4 Barbie dolls. I want to make a Christmas holiday clothing line collection. And what I want to use 4 different Barbie dolls. We have like 4 different patterns. I want some green, some red, some blacks. I want some sparkles. I want what else? Some long coats, whatever. Just you get the point. So yeah, that's why I like to use it, because it kind of brings whatever I feed it, it's going to give me what I, give them. So that's why I like to use that. Now, as you can see, I don't know what happened on this. Now I did okay on the other. I don't know why it looked like this. Like it just turned. It's just bad as my nail. I don't know. I don't know what happened, but yeah, I just have to practice more, honestly. I just really need to do a better job. I'm not a better job. I just need to keep doing it over and over and learn from my mistakes, and I think I'll be fine. But as you can see, that didn't turn out too bad. So yeah, I just, make sure that you all just hang in there with me and join my journey of learning how to sew Barbie doll clothes. I think I would really enjoy it, especially when I do their hair. I get to actually style them the way I think goes with their hairstyle. So that's what I'm excited about, instead of just using what Amazon give me, a bulk bag of clothes that don't make sense. So please subscribe, please like the channel, and comment below what you would like to see from me, or what you want me to attempt to make. I don't know. Bye bye.